at the canteen, and the food was really, really bad. And I told my mom, I said, listen, we need to stop going to pay the staff canteen. So in the weekend, let's buying the product, and then I cook myself during the week. So since 12 years old, I've been cooking for myself. And that's where I developed a love for cooking. During the college, I was not a very good student, but when I reached the cooking school, it was my passion. Even after 25 years, I'm still using some basic recipe that I learned at that time in school for Caprice. We select the really best people in Hong Kong. We have some guys that want some competition. Some on the other side, they got diploma from the French government with a disciple d'escoffier. When they arrive here, you can see their background is very strong already. When you have a weak school, you can see it right away as well. You never refuse the theory part in the kitchen. If you know how to use your hands, but you don't know what's going to be in the recipe, is a problem. The mentorship also, I will say, is very, very important. I had a very good mentor, a great leader. I try to reproduce also the same, to be clear and teach them right at the beginning all the correct process in the cooking. I don't see a lot of Three-MICHELIN-Starred in 21 years old, right? We have really different background, and cooking is all about sharing different culture. It's not just me or just my sous chef. We are 30 people together, working together.